Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Forgy McForgeface. That's the forge. Today we're going to be doing running boards and maybe getting this thing running. Who knows how far along in this video I'll get. But first let's do some running boards. Star wipe. First thing we're going to do some measuring. Figure out my heights and stuff. That's kind of where that's going to look like. Oh. Okay, I got the running boards fabbed up. Here they are. I'll weld them on now. So I got the running boards on, the exhaust kind of fish better. I'm gonna work now on my exhaust tip idea. Taking my ideas from like NASCAR boom tube, and I'm gonna mate these together. When to become one. Imagine me and you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. So I just tried these on the four-wheeler, the quad mower, the lawn quad. You'll see that now. I'm gonna quickly cut these out and tack them together and see what that sounds like now. This is gonna go here, and I'm gonna frame it in like that. See what this bad Sally sounds like. Okay, got the exhausts cut and mocked up to where they're gonna need to be, both sides. Not sure if I'm gonna cut them straight yet, like real boom tubes, but this is them. They're just sitting here. So what a unit. So mean. Camera died, but I made this cool flange thing here. We're gonna make another one right now. I also got the steering kinda on there. Alright, we got the shove the mower's exhaust onto it part made. That's that. Go up with that. Goes up into there like that. Swing on that side. Go like that. Cool. Alright, the next thing we need to do is mount the engine, I think. Yeah, it does have NASCAR exhaust. Do you want to see it better? I created these boom tubes. Want to hear what it sounds like? Okay, I cut a plate and now I'm going to weld it onto the frame. Is this OSHA approved? Alright, we got the wiring harness. Let's test it. This will be the first startup with the boom tube exhaust. Let's see what it sounds like. And that thing sounds rowdy. Get the engine off so I can mount it better. Okay, now it's welding everything, bracing time. Brace, weld. Let's do a little welding. Okay, let's start fixing this wiring harness a bit. This wiring harness is a mess. In theory, this should start. up. You heard it. That's her. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Get notified. Okay, love you. Bye.